In this video, I'm going to show you the 15 best apps for your Jailbroken FireStick. Without further ado, let's get started. First, Kodi, a versatile media player that allows access to a vast array of content through various add-ons. 2. Cinema HD offers a wide selection of movies and TV shows in high-definition quality. 3. Streamio aggregates content from different sources, providing a centralized platform for streaming. 4. Cyberflix TV features an extensive library of movies and TV series with regular updates. 5. TTV provides a user-friendly interface to stream movies and TV shows in 6. Mobdro specializes in live TV streaming across various genres and channels. 7. Titanium TV, a reliable app for streaming the latest movies and TV episodes. 8. Catmouse APK offers high-quality streaming links for a vast collection of content. 9. Unlock My TV provides an ad-free experience with a comprehensive library of movies and shows. 10th TV Zion features a clean interface and a vast content library with autoplay functionality. 11th, LiveNet TV streams live TV channels from various countries and categories. 12th, Redbox TV offers live TV streaming with a focus on sports and entertainment channels. 13, BTV provides a vast collection of movies and TV series with multiple streaming links. 14, OneBox HD features a user-friendly interface with a wide range of HD content. 15th, Aptoide TV, an alternative app store offering a plethora of applications not found on the official Amazon App Store. Caution: using jailbroken devices and third-party apps may expose you to security risks and legal issues. Ensure you access content legally and consider using reputable services to protect your privacy. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.